Today we're talking about starting to speak Spanish with confidence. If you're nervous to start speaking Spanish because you think you'll sound silly, crazy, or not even understood, let me tell you a secret. You're actually way closer to speaking Spanish than you realize. In fact, by the end of this video, you'll not only get the tools that you need to speak Spanish with confidence, we're gonna have you starting to speak Spanish now. So let's get into it. Hola, soy Profe Don Omar, and I help busy adults just like you become Spanish speakers quickly without stress and overwhelm. Now, before we jump in, let me ask you something. Have you ever wondered why some people speak Spanish more confidently in just a few weeks, but others struggle for years? Well, in today's video, I'm going to go over 3 strategies that are going to help you get going today. So first up, we're tackling the issue of mindset and confidence. So what's our biggest confidence killer? The fear of making mistakes. Here's the truth. Mistakes aren't your biggest enemy. They're your best friends when learning Spanish. Check this out. Every monolingual speaker who became fluent in Spanish started out just where you are, and they got there by making mistakes first. Even I was once there where you are. I was terrified to speak Spanish because I let one thing get in my way. I didn't want to look foolish in public. But after one simple mindset shift, I started speaking Spanish and eventually learned how to laugh off my mistakes. Let me show you exactly what I did. Now, although I never had a name for actually what I was doing, we're gonna call it the listen, repeat, connect technique. I know, a lot of words, but stay with me here. Here's a simple method that you can use to instantly build your confidence in speaking the language. I want you to listen carefully to short Spanish clips. This is what we call building your self-immersion skills. Then after listening to those short clips, I want you to repeat exactly what you hear out loud. This is what we would call shadowing or mimicry. And I'm not going to go in depth into what shadowing and mimicry are, but we do know that they improve your tonality, your accent, and your knowledge of the language just by following these 2 techniques. In our last situation, we're calling it Connect 3. I want you to connect the phrases instantly by implementing them in conversations that you can use right away. But check this out. If you want an easy way to practice this listen, repeat, and connect technique, my Spanish Made Simple Challenge is an easy way for you to learn how to make these connections on a daily basis using bite-sized information, also known as chunking, to get you on that path to fluency quicker. You can find all that information in the description below. Just click on the link. Now, once you master the listen, repeat, connect method, this next phrase I'm going to give you is probably the most useful phrase in connecting your Spanish conversation and keeping them flowing smoothly, even when you're stuck. Real quick, 2 things. I want to thank you personally for taking time to watch this video, but did you know that over 76% of people who watch the videos here on Speak Spanish Now are not subscribed? And there's a good chance that you could be one of them. So make sure you're subscribed so you catch all of the fun tips, the creative strategies, and easy to follow lessons. The second thing is that my Spanish Made Simple Challenge is coming up very soon, and I want to make sure that you are a part of it. It's a 5-day challenge where I guide you through some of the basics of learning Spanish, key tactics and strategies I've used with my clients and students for over the last 24 years. But more importantly, I want to encourage you to register for the VIP experience where we will spend an additional hour addressing specific questions you may have, as well as hands-on practice on how to properly listen, comprehend, and speak the language. So use the link below to get registered for the Spanish Made Simple Challenge, and I'll see you there. Now, let's get back to the rest of the video. So my favorite phrase for when you get stuck in a Spanish conversation, quiero que uses esta frase aquí. Déjame pensar. Déjame pensar. You see, by using this phrase, it's going to give you a little bit of time to gather your thoughts as you continue the conversation in Espanol. Essentially, what it's doing is allowing you some recovery time to help you avoid switching into English. Native speakers love it, and it helps keep your confidence to stay high. By the way, if you're gaining value from today's video, be sure to give it a like, and by all means, share it with others that you think they can find the same information valuable. Maybe you all can become language buddies. Next up, we've got the power of simplicity. I like to call it keep it simple Spanish. So how are we going to do that? We're going to use the concept of 120 words to help you build that confidence. Here's a myth buster. You don't need a grandiose amount of words to convey your thoughts in Spanish. In other words, you don't need 1,000 words to be able to speak Spanish confidently. In fact, there are only about 120 words that you need to start holding simple conversations in Espanol. Think about it like this. That's fewer words that you need to name the family members in your extended family in less than 5 minutes. Master these few words and you'll handle everyday conversations like a pro. Want to know exactly what those words are? I got you covered. Use the link below to get instant access to those 120 words, or stay tuned to find out how you can take this stack of words and implement them immediately in conversations. In my Spanish Made Simple challenge, not only do we cover those 120 words, you'll also get daily speaking tasks using these words to organize your thought process. And what this does is it allows you to build confidence that much faster by implementing these on a daily basis. So check out the link below in the wait list, which will also help you not only get this dynamic list, but how to use them that much faster. So let's quickly recap what we covered in today's video. Número uno. Learn to embrace mistakes and use them as confidence builders. Número dos, use the listen, repeat, and connect technique on a daily basis. Número tres, master the 120 words of confidence immediately. Y número cuatro, use déjame pensar as much as you possibly can to help you avoid going into your native language whenever you need a quick pause to reorganize your thought process to continue in Spanish. So what phrase are you going to put into action today? Let me know in the comments below. And don't forget to get on that wait list for the Spanish Made Simple challenge. Our end goal is to be able to speak confidently in Spanish together. But if this video has given you a little bit more confidence and you're ready to start using those 120 words and phrases immediately, I want you to check out this video right here where I show you how to create simple phrases in a conversation to keep the party going. Soy Profe Omar, your guide to how to speak Spanish now. Nos vemos.